Hi guys, are you ready for today's video? Because I'm going to be sharing 4 insanely powerful drinks to help you lose weight super fast as soon as you drink them, clear your skin, and gain so much energy. Real quick, don't forget to join my YouTube fam by clicking that subscribe button. New DIY and beauty hacks every Wednesday. Plus, check out my website anita-samantha.com for a $10 ebook with exclusive secrets I don't share on my channel and live sessions with me. Alright guys, let's begin. I cannot wait to share all these drinks with you, especially drink number 3, but all of these drinks have different benefits and reasons why you should drink them. So drinks number 1 start with infused water. So lately I have been incorporating Detox infused waters that I make in my kitchen, and it's one of the best beauty and weight loss remedies. This is my cucumber lemon one that works great with weight loss and just flushing out your system. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a few variations of it. So first, I want to talk about the water to use. It isn't a must, but it's so helpful, and this is pH balanced water. It's not sponsored. You guys probably heard me talk about it in my live, but pH balanced water has amazing benefits for detoxing and flushing out your system, so it is always a good base to get your body going. Real quick, can we thumbs up for the beautiful blue sky today? I love nice weather. So a different variation you guys can do with detox waters are incorporating strawberries, which are high in antioxidants, raspberries, which have amazing amounts of vitamin C, or you can pick and choose whatever works for you depending on the benefits you need. So today I'm going to show you one involving blueberries and one other special ingredient. So blueberries are great for adding a natural glow in the skin, repairing acne, damaging free radicals, and all the stuff we kind of want to detox out of our system. So first, I'm going to be rinsing the fruit really well. So important when making detox drinks because you don't want any pesticides or dirt floating around. So it's also a helpful tip to get organic. By the way, blueberries are also so great with weight loss, detoxing, getting rid of stomach fat and abdominal weight, so it's always great to eat or infuse them in your water. So I'm going to be adding them into this jar that I just reused. I always try to recycle my glass jars, so for purposes like this, it's perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and add a handful of blueberries in there to begin. Once adding the blueberries, and you can also put this in a plastic empty bottle, in a big glass, whatever you prefer, we're going to add the second ingredient, which is a clementine. So clementines are filled with vitamins and vitamin C specifically. Vitamin C is so important for the body, and this combination, you guys, tastes so good. You're going to want to drink it like every second of the day, which helps with your hydration, so this is just a win-win. So once I've added the blueberries and clementines, I am going to fill this water up with my essential water, and you can see it's so beautiful. I'm then going to let it sit in the fridge so it can just become infused. If you guys made it this far, comment 3-minute mark down below so I can show you so much love in the comment section. So the second drink is no surprise, but it is hot tea. Tea is so important, especially hot tea, for detoxifying the body. Green tea is great for weight loss. Chamomile tea is great for reducing puffiness, and peppermint tea is amazing as well. So make sure you drink 1 cup of tea a day for 7 days along with the infused water, and you guys are going to start noticing great results. Alright guys, one of the most powerful detox drinks, drink number 3. Are you guys ready for this? So this is so powerful for weight loss. You guys are actually going to notice yourselves losing weight with this drink. So again, I'm going to be using a little glass jar that I like to reuse to make this mixture, but you can use anything that you'd like. And I do like to make this drink at night, so it's readily available for me first thing in the morning. So the first ingredient you'll be needing is the juice of a whole lemon. You want to squeeze out the juice, strain it, and put it into a cup. The second ingredients you'll be needing are cayenne pepper and cinnamon, and I use about half a tablespoon of each. If you look close enough, you will notice that it is a 50-50 blend. So cayenne pepper is great for helping your metabolism burn fat faster, and cinnamon is like a superfood for balancing out blood glucose levels and even reducing some bad side effects of eating a high-fat diet. So this together is the perfect cocktail to weight loss, especially with lemon, which helps to detoxify the body. So you really need an important step here, which is adding about a cup of water, 8 to 10 ounces, depending on how strong your stomach is, because this is a very strong, powerful drink. Now, just a disclaimer, I do not recommend drinking this all in one sitting. I like to store it away for later, and I drink about 4 ounces every single morning. If it's too strong, you can just go ahead and add more water, but it all depends on your personal preference. Now, once you add this into a storage jar, you want to go ahead and set it in the fridge. And remember, never be afraid to add a little bit more water. It cannot harm you. Now, another variation you can do with this drink after stirring it is adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar, about 3 capfuls. But I personally don't do it anymore because I'd rather just take a shot of apple cider vinegar. But if you're not into the taste, you can just add it into this mixture and chug the drink. I will warn you, it doesn't taste good, but the amount of weight you lose and added benefits is worth every sip. So detox drink number 4 is definitely the most mild. It is just lemon water. Whenever you get a chance, just squeeze half a lemon into a big cup of water and you're good to go. Alright, my loves, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Wednesday, and thumbs up, hit that notification button because I am going to be going live a lot more unannounced. So I will see you guys very soon. Cannot wait to talk to you, and comment all your requests below. Mwah.